All right, here's the tunnel that we have to pull into in order to pick up this powdered cement. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of room and a whole lot of space on each side of this truck in order for us to pull in here. But once we pull in here, this is where we pick up our load from. Usually takes about 20 minutes for us to get loaded. I want to show you what it looks like from the top. Now here we are from the top of the trailer. There's 3 different tanks on my trailer, and what we have to do is that tube that you see pointing down in the center trailer. What it does is it will pump cement down through the center trailer, and it will bleed over to the other 2 trailers on the left and the right. And usually, like I said, it takes about 20 minutes for us to pick up these loads, and after that, we'll be ready to roll on out of here. All right, here we are with the unload process. As you can see, the big holes up at the top is where I have to hook it up to the pump. Now, here are my handles that I use to unload each tank one at a time. You can only unload 1 tank at a time with these. Now, there's a line that runs at the bottom down there. And here are my gauges. The gauges are what I use to make sure that I keep my eyes on those to make sure that balances out, that I have enough pressure going through that line that you see down there at the bottom compared to the cement that's going through that line all at the same time. So each one of these tanks, these are the 2, that's the middle tank there. And you just saw the last tank. So each one of these tanks usually take about 25 to 35 minutes to unload. Usually take about an hour and some change to unload total. And what's going to happen is that back here, you can look and you can see where I have my hose hooked up to their line, their cement powder line, which runs all the way up to their silo up at the top. And this is where we pump the cement into.